You might just remind people who Jamey Carney was and the circumstances surrounding her death in Killarney.
Jamey Carney, she was a 43-year-old mother of one. She was originally from Westchester County, which is just north of New York City, up along the Hudson River Valley. Mother of one, she permanently relocated to Ireland in May of 2021 with her teenage daughter. Was a very popular, very well-known figure within the Killarney community. And she had commenced a relationship with this 28-year-old Jordanian national. Now, Gardaí believed that she was fatally assaulted on the evening of July the 6th. She had been socialising with friends and acquaintances the previous weekend, of course, which was July the 4th, the US Independence Day weekend. Now, her body was discovered in her house just off the Muckross Road in Killarney at lunchtime on July the 7th. Now, it's believed this Jordanian man was in Miss Carney's company on July the 6th, and he left Killarney in the early hours of July the 7th, just a couple of hours after Miss Carney suffered her fatal injuries. He got a bus from Killarney to Dublin and boarded a flight from Dublin to Istanbul. And he immediately made his way from Istanbul in Turkey back to his native Jordan. Now, he was in Jordan for just over 24 hours when he was detained by the Directorate of Public Security in Jordan. And under Jordanian regulations, he can be detained for a period of up to 15 days, at which point he must be brought before a magistrate, and the magistrate can then sanction a further period of detention. Now, Jordan's penal code is based on their constitution, but it also includes elements of Islamic law, and their pre-trial detention periods, as it's referred to. For serious offences, it can actually involve a person being detained for a period of up to 18 months before formal charges or hearings take place.
You reported today that two members of An Garda Síochána did travel to Jordan in recent weeks. How were they received there, and did they get any sense of how this could proceed today?
In terms of how it proceeds, I don't think anyone knows at this stage because it's at a very, very early point in the process. But certainly in terms of the reception, the Garda Commissioner went to great pains to stress that the Jordanian authorities had cooperated quite extensively with these two officers. The Jordanian authorities were thanked for their cooperation and their support of the Irish investigation. But I think the next stage in the process is going to be whether this individual is kept in detention in Jordan, and then what happens with the Garda case file. Now, the Garda case file we expect to be finished. Gardaí have made rapid progress with their investigation. We understand that there's significant forensic, technical, CCTV and witness evidence. And the case file is expected to be completed probably about the end of August, early September. And that'll then be submitted to the Director of Public Prosecutions. And it's up to the Director then to decide what is the next step. Is there a warrant issued? Is there further action taken?
Very difficult time then for the family of Jamey Carney as they wait to see whether or not this individual will be dealt with by the Jordanian authorities, or indeed if he would be extradited here in Ireland. And it is worth pointing out that his own family have been speaking in Jordan and have said that this is an individual who deserves the presumption of innocence until he faces the rigours of the law, if that is to happen.
Very much so. His family have said that a person is innocent until proven guilty. And they've also hit out at some of the online commentary in terms of this case. So it's a very difficult position for both families, and particularly for the family of Miss Carney. And of course, she has a teenage daughter who lost her mother in the most horrific of circumstances. So I think the Gardaí are doing everything they can to support Miss Carney's family while, progressing the investigation as fast as they possibly can. The next step is obviously going to be with the DPP. It's important to point out that this individual was detained in Jordan, but there was no detention request from the Irish authorities. There's no warrant in place in terms of the circumstances of the death of Miss Carney. But Gardaí have said they have identified a person of significant interest and they are following a definite line of inquiry.